absolutely knew what his boy was up to.
I'm not sure.
And his brother.
I'm not sure. I think his Biden's son and brother are as dirty can be.
Maybe it's just the kind-hearted in me. I'm hoping Joe Biden can get a bit of kind-hearted, such a long phrase. Let's go with sass. You're a sass.
If you miss an hour of the show, get the podcast. It's Armstrong and Getty on demand.
Armstrong and Getty.
From pumpkin spiced apple cider fall is the tastiest time of the year, and HelloFresh makes it deliciously easy to savor all that the season has to offer with mouthwatering recipes delivered right to your door.
Right now, you can treat yourself to gourmet meals and pick up cooking skills along the way with the new limited-time Harvest Dinner series, complete with easy-to-follow video tutorials.
And HelloFresh Market makes hosting your next tailgate or party easier than ever with fall flavors. A rotating selection of fall-inspired brunch kits, dessert boards, and more available for a limited time this season.
With more than 35 weekly recipes to choose from and the ingredients delivered right to your home, HelloFresh helps spice up the cooking routine with fewer trips to the store.
And it even saves you money, too, like it saves us money. HelloFresh is actually 25% cheaper than grocery shopping. So sign up today for 65% off plus free shipping with the code Armstrong65 at HelloFresh.com/Armstrong65. That's code Armstrong65. HelloFresh.com/Armstrong65.
A Cumulus media station. We'll take a look at KSFO traffic.
We have stopped traffic in Sunol on 680 northbound over 84 east. It's a stalled big rig. The right lane is blocked. A heavy-duty tow truck is needed. Right now, traffic is stopped from Andrade Road. Oakland, 13 northbound after Broadway Terrace. 2 vehicles involved in a crash are over on the shoulder. CHP is on the scene. Right now, you are stopped and go from Redwood Road. And also Oakland, 580 westbound after Coolidge. 2-car crashes in the left lane. You are stopped and go from Estadio. That's traffic. I'm Katie Green.
This report is sponsored by the California DMV. Did you know that many DMV tasks, like renewing your registration or changing your address, can be done online when it's convenient for you? Check them off your to-do list without a trip to the DMV. Get started today at dmv.ca.gov/online.
This report is sponsored by Peter Pan BMW, your source for hybrid, electric, and performance vehicles. The Peter Pan BMW Drive to End Hunger event on now through November 30th. Your purchase of a new BMW helps provide approximately 200 meals through Feeding America. The Peter Pan BMW Drive to End Hunger event on now at Peter Pan BMW San Mateo. Remember to eat your fruits and vegetables. We all remember these words from our childhood. But how does anyone have time to buy, store, prepare, and eat enough healthy fruits and vegetables in our busy lives? Balance of Nature keeps it simple. Our produce is powdered after an advanced vacuum cold process, which stabilizes the maximum nutrient content. The produce is then mixed into a scientifically researched blend designed with your body in mind. Once these blends are encapsulated, they are packaged and sent right to your door, so you can get all the benefits of a colorful variety of fruits and vegetables every day. Experience the Balance of Nature difference for yourself. Go to balanceofnature.com or call 1-800-2468-751. And don't forget, get 35% off your first order as a preferred customer by using discount code KSFO.
First, we decide where we want to go. Then we need to know the best way to get there. Hi, my name's Adam Barras. I'm the owner of Advantage Gold. We're the highest-rated precious metals firm in the country. We teach people how to own physical gold and silver. Now, we've won the Best of TrustLink Award 4 years in a row because we educate our clients on how to buy gold and silver the right way. We don't pay celebrity spokespeople millions of dollars. We'd rather pass that value on to you. Call 800-900-8000 and speak with one of our experts. We'll send you a free gold kit along with my latest #1 national best-selling book, The Great Devaluation. Call 800-900-8000. That's 800-900-8000. Get the best information, the best process, the best service, the best value. Call Advantage Gold at 800-900-8000. Call 800-900-8000.
Advantage Gold is not an investment advisor or a tax advisor. Consult with your financial advisor before investing.
Have you had a previous MI or percutaneous coronary intervention? If so, you may qualify to participate in an important investigational study with Dr. Linda Gaudiani at NorCal Medical Research in Green Bay. We are looking for men or women ages 18 to 85 to take part in a protocol to evaluate the distribution of lipoprotein A levels among patients with documented history of atherosclerotic cardiovascular disease. Qualified participants will complete one study visit with laboratory testing at no cost. A stipend will be provided for time and travel. To get the details today, call us at NorCal Medical Research at 415-461-1585 or visit us online at norcalmedicalresearch.com. Again, that's 415-461-1585 or visit us at norcalmedicalresearch.com.
Individual rates, coverage offerings, and savings may vary. Subject to terms and conditions. Not available in all areas. Actual Pi customer.
The other workers' comp insurance company, they were going to reclassify our business, and then they were going to charge me $50,000.
Meet Natalie, owner of the carpentry shop. Shocked by an unexpected bill, she knew it was time to switch her workers' comp provider. That's when she found Pi Insurance.
When we got the quote back from Pi, it was a sigh of relief. They put us in a policy where we fit.
Is your small business overpaying for workers' comp insurance? See how much you could save at trypi.com. Plus, with pay-as-you-go billing, your premium is based on your actual payroll, which means no additional bill if your business grows.
I'm grateful that there's a company out there that's willing to insure us little guys because every dollar counts.
With Pi Insurance, you get pricing and coverage made for small businesses. What are you waiting for? Ask your agent for Pi or get a quote in 3 minutes at trypi.com. That's TRYPIE.com.
The Armstrong and Getty Show.
I'm continuing my jihad to unsubscribe from emails, junk emails I don't want. Man, it's amazing what a lengthy process that is. Maybe some of you all keep up on it better than me as they come up, but it just had built up to where my email is practically unusable. I think that happens to a lot of people.
Yeah, indeed.
Some companies, you press one button and you're unsubscribed. Some of them you have to fill out all these forms and they're hoping you'll get worn out.
Yeah, and and it's multiple problems on multiple accounts. Like we have our internal email account with the company we mostly work for, and it's so clogged with crap now. I never know when anybody needs anything from me officially, unless they send a second request via text or through our executive producer.
Right.
Just crap from outside the organization, and yes, I know how to. Theoretically, I know how to thin that out, but it's so freaking time-consuming. Oh.
Yep.
Anyway, time to